An air filter sits between the return air ducts and the furnace. When it gets too dirty, several things can happen, and none of them are good. Hi, I'm Brad from Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I have helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners navigate the complexities of their home's HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to discuss side effects of a dirty filter. And if you found today's content helpful, please subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. With the help of a blower, your duct system moves air from your furnace throughout the house before it mixes with unconditioned air. It then finds its way to the return ducts and heads back to the furnace, where the process starts all over again. Static pressure is the resistance a cooling and heating unit faces when trying to push air throughout your house. You want the right static pressure balance in your system because too much or too little can cause problems, including premature system failure and energy inefficiency. As the filter gets dirtier, the static pressure increases on the return side and the furnace will have to work harder. The harder it works, the more electricity or gas the system uses to circulate the air. If left unattended, it can be stressed to the point of failure. All that dirty air coming from the return air ducts has to go somewhere. Some of it will be stopped cold and back up, depositing dust in the ducts. Some air will take the path of least resistance and go around the filter. This is especially true with the thin fiberglass filters that might not fit snugly in the furnace compartment. And sometimes the filter can even bow inwards. This means that the dust that should be on the filter winds up in the furnace. We've been in houses where the blower motor, the blower wheel, heat exchanger, and evaporator coil are all covered in dust. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like this video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we have even more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. A clean system is an efficient one. As that filter collects more and more debris, the static pressure increases. Once you go above the manufacturer specifications, you'll have a premature motor failure. In the meantime, you'll use excess electricity and you have reduced airflow. The gas will be running too hot, activating the safety limit switch, which shuts the furnace off. It's like blocking the vents in your car in the summertime. That heat's going to go back to the engine, so it will keep shutting off. The same is true for the furnace. It will turn on and off more frequently, which is hard on the machine and does a substandard job of heating. And it's not just the furnace that will suffer, the air conditioner is also not going to get enough return air, and it starts working harder too. On sunny days when the light is streaming through the windows, you can see how dirty the air is. Indoor air is 2 to 5 times dirtier than outside air. Couple that with the fact that you probably spend most of your time indoors, and you can see how unhealthy your air can be. When dust fills the air filter, it gets inside the furnace. When the furnace or the air conditioner runs, air will flow over the dirty blower wheel. It's then in the ducts and out the vents. It's a vicious cycle of dust that gets recirculated, and it's not just dust in the air. House dust is a mix of sloughed off skin cells, hair, clothing fibers, bacteria, dust mites, bits of dead bugs, soil particles and pollen, and microscopic specks of plastic. Allergy sufferers and those unfortunate folks with respiratory problems will feel it at the worst. It will make for poor indoor air quality. You'll be breathing in that dust that should have been caught by the filter. An uptick in energy bills is almost certain when the filter is dirty. It makes key components of your furnace and air conditioner work harder. The harder they work, the more fuel you'll use, and the more fuel you use, your energy bill will increase. You can reach a point where the airflow is diminished to the extent that the evaporator coil will freeze. When it's operating normally, the evaporator coil is where evaporation occurs. The temperature in it will be in the low 40s or so. As the airflow decreases, it can go below the freezing point. The evaporator coil sweats and it's below freezing, and pretty soon you have a block of ice. When the evaporator coil freezes, you take the chance that the refrigerant will back up into the compressor. This will cause the AC to run and not cool. I hope by now you have a better understanding of side effects of a dirty filter. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.